Welcome back, guys. Got our Ford Fiesta here, 1 litre EcoBoost. It's come up with a fault sensor for an O2 sensor, so we're going to have a quick look at it and see what's causing this problem. So I'm just running a diagnostics on it. I just scanned it and it's coming up with heated oxygen sensor, circuit high. So it's got a circuit issue, so it could be a fuse, it could be the wiring. So we're going to take a look under the bonnet and see if we can see something evident. So I've got the O2 sensor out. Plug is buried around the back here, so just going to unplug that. So I've already had a quick look at this, hence why I'm doing a video on it. Normally I wouldn't bother with one of these, but if you have a look at that plug, just going to switch over to macro so we can have a better look at it. You can see the plug here. You can see where it's got that charring on the plastic. It's where you can see the glint off the other plugs. This one's quite black. So it looks like there's been a poor connection in this particular plug. The only time I've seen issues like this is when someone's done some testing with a multimeter and they've poked their probe in the hole, expanded the hole, and we have poor connection. And then you can see the bottom right corner of that plug. It's got a black mark on the pin, which is where it's had a poor connection with the O2 sensor and it's actually gone black. And you can see that the white plastic has also got some charring on it as well. So fault codes are great, but it doesn't always tell you what the problem is. You just have to look a bit harder. So I'm going to clean that up with a needle file and I'm going to put a new O2 sensor on it because I can't clean the contacts of the O2 sensor because the hole's too small. So there'll be a new sensor going on and clean this plug. Otherwise you'll have the same problem. So you've got to really look hard when you get fault codes. Okay, that's clean. Let's get a new sensor on there. Okay, ignition back on. Fault's cleared, time for a road test. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that short video. Remember, if you get a fault code, don't just assume you need a sensor. Find out why it went wrong. Was there a reason behind it? Yes, sure, sensors do pack up, but do your due diligence. Make sure you check your work properly. It was easily missed, but just unplugging it and have a look at that plug just gave away there was an issue there. And to be fair, it's the first one I've ever seen, hence why I did this video. Otherwise it would have been just another job just drifting through the workshop. If you enjoyed this video, as usual, please leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss my next awesome videos. Take care.